welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I just have a simple recipe for you guys. The recipe is to make a simple tomato sauce for pizza. So today I just have a couple items to make a simple one. Just a simple one, guys. Nothing too hard, nothing too expensive. Just a simple pizza tomato sauce. So first I did go ahead and blend some tomatoes with some garlic in the blender. Just regular tomato where you get a market. Just blend that blender. Me have little sugar, little salt, little black pepper. And in this container I have a little garlic, onion and thyme. And in this plate I have some tomato paste. So first I'm gonna cut up the tomato. Cut up the onion into dices. So I'm gonna cut up it in small dices because I'm gonna saute it up, guys. So this is very small dices, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So simple dices, guys. You take your time. Be careful with the knife, it will cut you, guys. So you take your time and cut up into simple dices. So simple dices, guys, nothing too hard. Take your time and get this done. Next, guys, I'm gonna cut up the garlic very fine, very fine, guys, very fine. So I have 4 cloves of garlic, which I'm gonna cut up very fine to saute in the pot. So very fine, guys. Be careful with the knife, guys, it will cut you. So next, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat the oil. I'm gonna heat the oil to saute off the garlic and onion. So in the pot, guys, I'm gonna saute off the garlic first to give it some flavor, guys. Saute off the garlic first. Just want to simmer down, get all the flavor out of this now, guys. You put your heat on medium, guys. Now I'm burning garlic them or anything. Just want to get the flavor absorb out of the garlic, guys. So I'm gonna add the onion them now, guys. Because me tell them me don't want to garlic cook out much. We just have saute it off, guys, to get the flavor. Same thing with the onion. And about little. You can saute off. So guys, I see tomato and garlic when we blend previously before in the blender. I'm gonna throw it right into the onion and the garlic. And you turn up back the heat now, cause you know, see, you want everything to cook. So you turn up back the heat. Stay there and cook. Simmer, guys. Next, I'm gonna throw the tomato paste in this, guys. Just half of it, not all of it, just a half of it. I'm gonna throw inside. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna spice it up. As I told, I have a little sugar, little salt, and little black pepper. So I'm gonna do all of that in it and let it cook with a little thyme. If you have bay leaf, guys, or oregano, your little thyme, any little dry herb that you have, guys, use it in your sauce. And guys, if you have a little red wine, you can throw that also in it. So you're gonna stay there and cook for at least an hour. So I'm gonna make it cook and get back to you and show you the finished product. Yes, guys, after 1 hour, this is what you get, guys. Very thick, very rich recipe, simple recipe, guys. Nothing too expensive, guys. It's very cheap things you can get at the local market that you can put in this, guys. Very simple and quick recipe. Guys, what I want you to do is to like, share, comment, tell a friend, and turn on that post notification bell that you won't miss an upload when I post. Thank you, guys. Bye.